So, in the first video, I've shown you how you can flip or rotate a vertical video into a horizontal video. That is your portrait video into a landscape video using Windows video editing tool, which is free on Windows 10. So if you're having a Windows 10 and you want to flip your video from maybe say portrait to landscape, or from vertical to horizontal, then please watch the video I'm going to link up here in the cards. But if for some reason you only use Filmora to edit your videos, I'm going to show you how you can do the same, that is flip or rotate your video from vertical to horizontal using Filmora. So let's jump into my computer here and I show you how you can do that using Filmora. Before we get started with this video, guys, I want to kindly request you to please do subscribe to support the team behind this channel. Also, it helps me with ranking on YouTube. Also, don't forget to hit the bell notification and give us one of these. Also, you can comment with what you think that we're supposed to do next. If you feel there's a video you want us to produce, please put it in the comment section below. So we're here on my Filmora, and this is the video I want to rotate or flip. The first thing, of course, I want to do, I want to drag and drop my video on my timeline right there. So this is the video. If you look at this, and this is an amazing video that I captured when I was landing somewhere when I went for my vacation. You can see here I actually captured the real touchdown of the wheel on the tarmac. If you watch the entire video, you'll see I captured right there. Amazing capture right there. So if you want to watch this video, because I'm going to link it, I'm going to have it at the end of this video. But first things first, let's get back and see how you can flip or rotate your videos using Filmora. Now, of course, you can double click on this video on the timeline here, and then there's the rotate button here under transform. So under videos here under transform, there's a rotate button. Now if you drag the rotate button like this, you see it's not rotating to fit into the entire video frame the way you might want it, or the entire screen. It's not fitting exactly the way you want it. So this one doesn't work. The flip also doesn't work either. The flip doesn't work either. Now scale here, of course, it will scale it, but it will only show still the same frame, that is 9:16, that we don't want. So I'm just going to go ahead and reset all this. So then how do you do it? Because those first ones don't work. So what you want to do, you want to come to file here, and then you want to come to project setting. So go to file under Filmora, then go to project setting. Then you see the aspect ratio of this particular video is 9:16. Now remember, the one you want is 16:9 ratio. So we're going to click on that and then click on 16:9 widescreen. Okay, so click on that and then of course click OK. Now if you do that, you'll notice that it will change these parts into all black. So the next thing you want to do is double click on your video on your timeline. It will bring you to transform. Under transform, you want to rotate it. Now this is the point where you rotate your video. Now it's a bit tricky, but you just need to rotate it until the point where you feel it's okay. So I'm going to try and put it exactly. You can also use this rotate so that it exactly, I hope that's good enough. Of course, the next thing is I want this thing to capture or to fill the entire screen. So how do I do that? I come to scale here and then I can drag it until it fills the entire scale or the entire ratio of your video. Super awesome. So that is how you rotate or flip your video in Filmora. You can go ahead and click OK, and if you play that, you see now it gives you the exact 16:9 dimension that you want. Now if you look closely, you'll realize that this particular flipping or rotating of video using Filmora is not as clear or as accurate as the Windows. So I recommend, if you're really looking for something precise, something crisp, use the Windows rotation under video editing in Windows 10, which are linked up in the cards above. Guys, that's how you rotate or you flip a video using Filmora. Now again, if you want to watch how to rotate videos using Windows 10, then watch the video I'm going to link in the cards above. Guys, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you got some value. I hope now you know how to flip or rotate your videos using Filmora X. Once again, thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. Otherwise, thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Now, if you're still there, please don't forget to watch this next video on how to edit your videos using Filmora. It's very, very important. Please make sure you watch this next video. Bye-bye.